Welcome back to our channel, The Digital Hustler. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of making money online. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or build a full-fledged online business, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in and discover the secrets to making money online. The first step to making money online is choosing the right path for you. There are various opportunities available, such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products, and more. Take some time to research and identify the path that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to build your online presence. Start by creating a professional website or blog to showcase your expertise and attract potential customers or clients. Remember to optimize your site for search engines to increase visibility. In the online world, content is king. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, creating high-quality content is crucial. Share valuable information, engage with your audience, and provide solutions to their problems. Consistency and quality are key to building a loyal following. Turning your passion into profit is an excellent way to make money online. Consider monetizing your skills or hobbies through online courses, coaching services, or digital products. By sharing your expertise, you can help others while generating income. Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative method of making money online. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services that align with your audience's interests. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Be transparent and recommend only products you genuinely believe in. E-commerce and dropshipping offer tremendous opportunities for online entrepreneurs. Set up an online store and sell physical or digital products. Alternatively, explore dropshipping, where you act as a middleman, selling products without the need for inventory. Research market trends and identify profitable niches to maximize your success. Lastly, to succeed in the online world, you must stay motivated and adapt to changes. Embrace continuous learning, stay updated with industry trends, and be willing to try new strategies. Remember, building an online business takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. That wraps up our video on how to make money online. We've explored various paths, from building an online presence to monetizing your skills. Remember, finding success online requires dedication, perseverance, and a passion for what you do. So, start today, take action, and embark on your journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep hustling.